How to use outfit codes in Roblox. This is really simple to do, so let's dive right into the video. First, open Roblox, which is pretty straightforward. Then, we need to go to our game in Roblox by searching for it. So type catalog avatar creator in the search bar and you should find it. The first one for me. Just go ahead and join that game. Alright, now that we are in the game, the next steps are pretty simple. On the left hand side, click on community outfits. After that, select most popular. Now you will see an option next to publish called outfit code. Click on that and then type in the code you want to use. For example, I typed in the code 6969 and it gave me this cool costume. You can also try the outfit for free in the game by clicking on wear. If you want to buy it, just click on save to Roblox. And here we go. Now you know how to use outfit codes in Roblox. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.